Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can use the comparison of two columns. I have data in column A and also data in column B. I wanted to compare data in the column A against the data in the column B. For that, I can simply use the formula equals, select the cell and equals, select the cell which I wanted to compare against it. Once the result comes, you can notice because these two data are same, that is why the result is true. If the data is not same, then the result will be false. Let me copy the formula to the remaining cells. Now the formula has been copied to remaining cells, so we can have compared the data in column A against with column B, and we have found the result in column C. Now we add the data in column A and B and we have complete. What if these two data are in a row? To make these two data in a row, I need to use a formula which is called transpose. Transpose is the formula to change the data which is there in the column to rows. So I'll select the range from year to year after selecting the range and then see the formula in the formula bar. I'll close the bracket. Now you can see whatever data which was there in the column, it has been converted to rows. So all the data has been converted to rows now because of the transpose formula. So all the data has been converted to row now. If I wanted to compare this data which is there in C64 against the data which is there in C65, C64 and C65, I can simply use the same formula equals, select the cell and equals again and select the cell which you wanted to compare against with. Then simply copy the formula against all the cells to give the result for the comparison. So you have got the result of comparison between C64 and C65. This way we can compare the data between two cells and use the transpose formula.